Get ready for the action, because we are diving straight into the market with the 3 worst FTSE 100 stocks to buy now. We look at the advice coming from ChatGPT and uncover which companies are facing the toughest headwinds right now. We'll break down the reasoning behind these picks and see if this unconventional approach is leading to some serious investment breakthroughs. Directly into Chrome and Google search. Find out how this technology will allow you to instantly check if any image or video you see has been generated by artificial intelligence. And finally, the coding revolution is here. OpenAI has just unleashed the Codex mobile app, bringing its powerful AI coding agent directly to iOS and Android through the ChatGPT app. We explore how developers can now monitor and steer their AI coding agents from anywhere, and what this means for the future of software development. An investor recently tested the hypothesis of inverted investing by querying ChatGPT for the 3 worst FTSE 100 stocks to buy now. The resulting recommendations, based on the AI's analysis, pointed to International Consolidated Airlines Group, IAG, JD Sports Fashion, and Barrett Redraw. The author provided a detailed analysis of each suggestion, cautioning against blindly following AI-generated advice, acknowledging the risk of hallucinations in large language models. Regarding JD Sports Fashion, the author expressed reservations, citing the cyclical nature of fashion trends and indicating a lack of interest in testing that specific investment area. For Barrett Redraw, the author noted the persistent headwinds facing UK housebuilders, including inflationary pressures, supply chain issues, and the ongoing impact of high mortgage rates, suggesting that while long-term demand exists, a turnaround might be delayed. Concerning IAG, the author disagreed with the assessment that the airline group represented an incredible bargain due to pandemic and geopolitical impacts. While acknowledging the sector's challenges, the author argued that factors such as jet fuel costs and the potential resolution of Middle East conflicts suggest the stock could be undervalued and might even be considered a potential buy, contrary to the initial negative assessment. The post prompting this analysis appeared on the 12th Magpie. The author confirmed that they currently hold no positions in any of the mentioned shares. The article also references recommendations from the Motley Fool UK regarding Barrett Redraw, emphasizing the importance of diverse investment insights. Google has significantly overhauled its Gemini application with a suite of major updates aimed at challenging competitors like ChatGPT and Claude. Announced at the annual Google I/O event, the enhancements position Gemini as an all-purpose AI hub, focusing on deeper integration and advanced functionality. The key features introduced include a daily brief feature, a redesigned interface, access to the new Gemini Omni AI video model, and the launch of Gemini Spark, a personal AI agent. The daily brief is designed as a personalized morning digest, synthesizing information from a user's inbox, calendar, and tasks. It goes beyond simple summarization by prioritizing tasks and suggesting actionable next steps, with the most critical items presented first. This feature is currently rolling out to Google AI subscribers in the United States. The visual experience has been completely revamped with a new design language called Neural Expressive, featuring fluid animations, vibrant colors, new typography, and haptic feedback. Responses within the app have also been streamlined, displaying key information in bold at the top, with supplementary details appearing as the user scrolls. Gemini Spark represents a major shift, transforming Gemini from a reactive assistant into an active, 24/7 personal AI agent capable of handling real-world tasks on the user's behalf. Operating as a cloud-based agent, Spark functions in the background even when the device is locked, and users will soon be able to create custom workflows with it. Spark is currently in testing and is slated for release to Google AI Ultra subscribers next week. Furthermore, Google is intensifying competition in the multimodal content space with the introduction of Gemini Omni, a new AI video model. Gemini Omni integrates Gemini with Google's generative media models to produce knowledge-grounded video content, allowing users to generate complex outputs, such as a claymation explainer of protein folding, from text prompts. This model is being rolled out to Google Flow and YouTube Shorts for Google AI subscribers. With over 900 million monthly users globally, Google is aggressively pursuing market share while retaining its existing user base through these substantial upgrades. Google is significantly expanding its SynthID digital watermark initiative to combat the growing challenge of identifying AI-generated content. At Google I/O 2026, the company announced the integration of the Google DeepMind SynthID tool and content credential verification from the Coalition for Content Provenance and Authenticity, or CDPA, into Search and the Chrome browser. Furthermore, CDPA content credentials verification will be available within the Gemini app starting today. This expansion aims to empower users with the ability to quickly and accurately check if an image, audio file, or video has been created by artificial intelligence. Digital watermarks are highlighted as a crucial method for identifying AI content amidst the rise of deepfakes. Since its launch, Google has watermarked over 100 billion images and videos, alongside 60,000 years of audio content. The integration into Chrome and Google Search will allow users to easily verify content, with CEO Sundar Pichai stating, "You can simply circle to search an image or right-click in Chrome and ask, 'Was this generated with AI?' And you'll get a clear response, along with other helpful context." Beyond Google, the initiative is seeing broad adoption, with announcements confirming that OpenAI, Kakao, and 11 Labs will also incorporate SynthID into their respective products. Both SynthID and C2PA work in tandem. C2PA provides detailed context as metadata, while SynthID acts as an invisible watermark that remains resilient even when metadata is lost. OpenAI noted that this combination makes provenance more robust. This move underscores a commitment to making AI content provenance accessible and verifiable for the general public. Noi Dung Kai Tight. OpenAI has significantly escalated its strategy in the AI coding agent market by integrating its flagship assistant, Codex, directly into the ChatGPT mobile application for both iOS and Android. Announced on May 14, 2026, this move allows developers to monitor, approve, and direct their AI coding agents remotely, eliminating the need for a laptop. This integration delivers the full Codex experience, ensuring that sensitive project data, including code and credentials, remains securely on the user's machine, with only real-time updates and approval requests streaming via a secure relay. \n Codex is OpenAI's AI-powered agent designed to manage end-to-end software development tasks, functioning as a tireless junior developer capable of writing features, debugging, refactoring codebases, running tests, and submitting pull requests based on natural language prompts. Powered by OpenAI's advanced coding models, the tool has experienced explosive growth, with OpenAI reporting over 4 million weekly users and rapid enterprise adoption by major companies. \n the mobile integration is being rolled out as a preview across all ChatGPT subscription tiers, including the free and go plans, signaling OpenAI's commitment to broad accessibility. Crucially, the mobile experience is not a standalone application. It is fully embedded within the existing ChatGPT interface. \n functionally, the mobile phone acts as a remote command center. Users can supervise active tasks, but code execution remains on the desktop or remote environment. Key features include the ability to review diffs and approve changes without exposing local files to the public internet, thanks to a secure architecture. While the mobile experience is powerful for oversight, it is not a mobile IDE for direct coding. \n in the competitive landscape. This launch places Codex in direct competition with rivals like Anthropic's Claude Code, which has offered mobile access since late 2025. The current differentiator for Codex is its superior computer use capability, enabling remote control of macOS applications, a feature currently unmatched by Claude Code. Conversely, Claude Code holds an edge in complex scenarios through its Agent Teams feature, which supports multi-agent coordination. \n this development marks a significant shift, moving AI coding agents from desktop-only power tools to pervasive, cross-device platforms. The rapid expansion of Codex across desktop, terminal, IDE, browser extensions, and now mobile within less than a year underscores the market's evolution. This trend raises broader governance discussions, prompting calls for global AI oversight. \n for developers, the implication is that AI coding agents are becoming persistent background processes, blurring the lines between work and personal life. While this offers unprecedented productivity, it also necessitates a reevaluation of work-life boundaries. Setup for the mobile experience requires an active ChatGPT account and a project folder on the desktop. Currently, the mobile preview is available on all plans, and while Windows support is forthcoming, the mobile-to-desktop connection currently supports macOS only.